Forgotten username recovery failed on IG Markets app fix. If you've struggled to recover your IG Markets username, most people get this wrong by assuming the process is instant or using outdated emails. You won't believe how simple it can be when you follow the right steps. Step 1. Open the IG Markets app and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. IG Markets will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset your login information. Step 2. Check all your email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Emails can be filtered automatically, and submitting multiple requests too quickly can temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your email is no longer active, gather verification information such as full name, date of birth, and recent transactions. Contact IG Markets support with these details. Providing linked bank or trading account info can help speed up verification and restore access efficiently. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, save it in a secure password manager. Activating two-factor authentication ensures your account remains protected and prevents future login issues. By following these steps carefully, you can regain access to your IG Markets account quickly. Proper verification and secure credential management are essential for keeping your trading account safe.